We realize there are many of you out there who choose to make money online, but don't prefer to invest any money or don't know where to turn on. Today's video will show you a procedure that is free for all, exceptionally fast and simple to do, and today's incredible procedure that's going to deliver you $4 for just 1 minute of work. We even did that tough part for you, so you don't have to go through it anyway. This procedure is presumed to be available all over the planet, but you'll have to attempt it out for yourself to see if it really is, and then let us know how it goes in the comments down below. We made sure that today's procedure will be as straightforward as any of our videos, so you all can actually take satisfaction in it and entirely get something from it. Make sure you watch this full video from beginning to finish, so you don't get disturbed about today's procedure, and make sure you don't ignore ahead so you don't miss any significant fragments, because if you do lose valuable details, possibilities are you won't get your desired results. Before we go distant to this video, welcome to the Money Square, where we will introduce you the most up-to-date making money online concepts, tips and techniques, and don't neglect to subscribe to the channel and blow the like button and press the notification horn so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video, and lastly, don't skip to leave a comment below. Now let's get around to the video. The important step to today's procedure is to log into your Gmail account. If you don't have a Gmail account, we suggest that you establish one before following with your procedure for today, because you'll require it now. The second thing you'll do is open a fresh tab, type in crowdfireup.com and click enter. This is what you'll see next. Practically, we're going to be conducting social media management for other people, and if you're already guessing about it, no, you don't require social media for our procedure for today. Anyhow, this website was made for people who don't have greatly time on their hands. The way we'll be using it is completely distinct. You must read more about this website if you want to know more on here, but we won't get into it too much, since it's meaningless to how we're going to operate this website, which is why we require you to pay interest and make sure that you catch on to everything we say. Now we require you to scroll down to the bottom of the page and click on affiliate/referrals, because yes, we will be promoting this website as an affiliate. But believe it or not, we will not be using a solo social media platform to do so. This procedure is distinct and unique, and you'll see why in a few eternities. Now, as you can see it says refer and earn up to $420 for every customer. Invite anyone to join Crowdfire and we'll give you 35% of all payments they make in the first year. $420 is insanely massive, and you should believe that $420 can go a long way. Here are some remarkable things about Crowdfire. There is a 35% generous commission you can earn in cash. It's free to join. They have quick payouts, unlimited earnings, and simple tracking and reports. So how it operates is that you first sign up and get your referral link, then you share and promote your link, and the better you promote your link, the better you earn, and finally, when they spend, you earn 35% of every solo payment your customers make, even while you're taking a nap. So even if you're doing nothing and sleeping, if your customer gets the payment, you are obtaining instantly 35% from that, and that is relatively large. So you know what to predict now. How much can I earn? As much as you want to. There is no limit on the number of people you can refer and earn from. That suggests really unlimited earnings you earn on every solo payment made by your refereed customer. That means completely limitless earnings you earn in every solo payment made by a referred customer. You share your referral link, your customer signs up to a monthly VIP plan, which is $99.99 per month, and you can earn $35 every single month. So that's cool. $420 is from a solo customer. Think up what you can earn if you refer 100 customers. If you think that's important, give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to Money Square and turn on the notification signal. Alright, now let's proceed with the next thing we prefer to demonstrate you is how much money you might be giving rise to, and we know you're very curious in that, so go back to the Crowdfire homepage and then click comprising, and then click on monthly to see how much you can make. Let's say you're able to refer a customer who prefers the Plus plan, which means they'll be paying $9.99 per month, and 35% of $9.99 is $3.49, and you'll be earning that for an entire year every single month. Which means with a customer on the Plus plan, you could make $41.95 in a year. But let me tell you something authentic, something genuine about this website. Customers here rarely select a Plus plan because we largely have medium and large businesses. So let's measure for that monthly premium plan. Customers would pay $49.99 a month, and 35% of $49.99 is $17.49, which indicates you could predict to make $209.95 in a year with just one customer, which is definitely insane. Now we'll do the last one, and since this is usually what we receive, it's the most practical one that these big businesses would get, so it'll give you an adequate picture and something to look forward to. Now, a VIP customer is presumed to pay $99.99 per month, and 35% of $99.99 is $34.99, which indicates that in a year with just one VIP customer among hundreds, you'd make $419.99 in a year by doing nothing but getting them into the website and referring them onto the website, and you're earning this in a year. That's an additional income. That's additional money for you to use and save. Now, are you kidding? You're never going to discover a place that's going to pay you this much in 1 year and by doing completely nothing. As I prior expressed, that's insane. We're going to inform you how to target the audience. It's going to avail to the greatest type of plan so that we can also get the greatest practical earnings. So you want to click on Join Now, back on the affiliate referral section, and as soon as you click on that, this is where you'd be diverted. You can sign in with a Google you made early. Now I'm going to sign up with an email. Hey, once you click continue, this is what will happen next. As immediately as you're signed up, you'll be redirected in, and you can go forward and view the program and view the marketplace too. Browse through all of the alternatives that are on here waiting just for you. Just click and investigate the marketplace, and that should take you over here. Now, as you can discover, there are a lot of programs to select from, which is crazy, but you may have noticed that we aren't on Crowdfire website. Don't worry, you can look them up over here, and as immediately as you find them, click on Doing Programs. So you're here, and we wish you to click on the Join Now. So it says that you've presently joined the Crowdfire, and then you can go on the dashboard. But before that, we have something absolutely thrilling to share. Now, if you glance at the rewards over here, you'll see that on top of the 35% that you're already going to get, you're getting another 5 on top of that for a total of 40%. This is only practical if you do it the way that we instructed you. So make sure that you follow everything properly. Once you click on the dashboard, you'll be carried to the dashboard of Crowdfire. This is where you'll discover everything that you require and the link that you require, and you can easily just copy that, because that's your personal and modified link. Now you can go on a Gmail account and create an email, and this is how we're going to get customers and memorize. How we said we've already done the toughest part for you. This is it. We've composed a ready to send email to all of your potential customers. So you don't even require to worry about that. So you can just go ahead, pause this video, copy this email like so, obviously, where it says affiliate link, that's where you're going to put in your affiliate link, and where it says your name, that's where you should input your name to specify who to send this email to. You want you to go to Google and search for top social media marketing companies. We suggest that you select this result right here, because there are over 35,000 firms here. That's a bunch of customers, and they're the perfect customers for Crowdfire because they're big organizations that will most likely be using the VIP plan, and I think we can literally guarantee that, which benefits them. But again, you most of all, to get their email address, go to their website and look for their email address, which could be at the bottom or top of the page, but in our case, we had to go over to find the contact, and as you can notice, here's the email, and bang, just copy that email, go back to your Gmail account, Paste it on the email that you just made, press send, wait, and then repeat the process with tens of millions of other corporations that can be your conceivable customers, and that's it. If you're exploring ways to produce money online, and that's it. If you lover of similar content like this, take a look at my distinct videos, and if you love it, please break the like button and make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit the notification horn. If you have additional questions, please feel independent to comment down below. See you in the successive video.